Fluffy, you tore up Isabel's little house, but you're sleeping in it anyway.
Yeah, it's all yours now.
Oh my goodness. Is that comfortable?
I guess. No problem,
Hey.
Fluffy. It's all yours. All yours.
What do you think? Well, maybe we need to just build a smaller house, honey. What do you think?
I think there's wood still Troy.
You think? Well, he seems to be happy where he is. Hey, Fluff. That really irritates her. Really irritates Isabel. When y'all are tearing up things. But do you enjoy that house anyway? It was so pretty before, and now it's knocked over, but you still like it? Is that still your rest place? Okay. No problem.
Okay. See what you think.
All right.